Welcome, here I've got OPPO F15 2020 and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera location tags at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button here to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. From here let's go to the right corner to this button. When we pick this we can open the advanced camera settings. Here we have the location option, so it allows us to save the information about the place where we take a picture in the details about it. By using this button we can easily turn it off and turn it on like that as we need. And also the important information here is that to make it work correctly, when we want to save the actual location of our photo, we have to be connected with the internet, for example the Wi-Fi, and we have to turn on the location service of this device. So remember about these two parameters to make it work. Now let me keep turning on all of these settings. Let's go back to the camera to take a picture. To see it, let's move to the left corner at the bottom to this button, so we get quick access to the gallery. This is our photo. Here we have some short information about the city where the picture was taken. And now let's move here to the right corner at the bottom to more and pick the details. Here at the third position we have the full location with the address. So greetings from Kraków, Poland. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.